All right, this is a slow walkthrough or playthrough of Ordinary. Um, it's in 12/8, and I'm having the eighth note be the beat for this so that you can really get your fingers wrapped around it. And our eighth note is going to be at 100 beats per minute. This is in D major, or more like D pentatonic. So we don't have to worry about any G's, low twos, or anything like that. So let's give it a go. We're going to come right into the lyric line. And I'm going to start that with an up bow. So make sure that you're subdividing the entire time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. that ending?